Now that you know the basics of the Bachelor of Science degree, let's examine your degree requirements. In order to graduate with your BSc Honors Psychology degree, you must complete a minimum of 120 credits with an overall cumulative grade point average of a C+ or a 5.0. This translates to a 65 to 69% overall average. In addition, you will need to achieve at least a grade of C in Psych 1010 Introduction to Psychology in order to continue as a psychology major. Here is a visual representation of the components of your degree. We will review this chart again later in the presentation. The main components of a Bachelor of Science Honors Psychology degree include general education requirements, basic science requirements, major requirements, science credits taken outside the major, additional credits or electives, and finally, your upper level requirement, which is displayed on the bottom right of the screen. Let's examine each of these components more carefully. The general education requirements for a Bachelor of Science Psychology degree include a minimum of 18 credits as follows. 6 credits at the 1000 level chosen from an approved Faculty of Health general education course or an approved humanities area. 6 credits at the 1000 level chosen from an approved Faculty of Health general education course or an approved social science area. And finally, 6 credits at the 1000 level in an approved Faculty of Health general education course or an approved humanities area or an approved social science area. To confirm if a course is approved for your general education requirement, visit the current student's website at currentstudents.yorku.ca. Under the heading Courses and Enrollment, click on Search for Courses. You can search for current courses by general education courses. On this page, you will need to select your session, your faculty, which is the Faculty of Health, and then your degree type, either a Bachelor of Arts or a Bachelor of Science. Then click Search Courses. This page will show you all eligible general education courses that are being offered in the upcoming academic session. Using the column on the far right, you can determine which general education area the course satisfies. For example, the course displayed on the screen satisfies your humanities general education requirement. Further down, you will see courses that satisfy your social science requirement. And if you're in a Bachelor of Arts degree, all the way at the bottom, you will see courses approved for natural science. The next component of your degree is the basic science requirement, which consists of a minimum of 15 credits as follows. 6 credits selected from math, 3 credits selected from computer science. Please note that Computer Science 1570 is a recommended course for psychology majors. Since this course has Math 1505 as a prerequisite, students typically take this course in their second year after completing math. And finally, 6 credits selected from introductory sciences. Now that we've reviewed the general education and basic science requirements, let's talk about your major course requirements. Major courses refer to credits that you need to complete in psychology. For an honors BSc degree, you will need to take at least 48 credits in psychology, which include the following courses. The first course that all psychology majors take is Psych 1010 Introduction to Psychology. You must achieve a minimum grade of at least a C in Psych 1010 in order to continue as a psychology major. This will be the only psychology course that you take in your first year. Required psychology courses at the 2000 level include Psych 2010 Writing in Psychology, Psych 2020 Statistical Methods 1 and 2, Psych 2030 Introduction to Research Methods. And to ensure you acquire some breadth in psychology, you must take courses from different areas in psychology. You must complete at least 3 credits from Group 1, the 2100 series, and you can choose from Psych 2110 Developmental Psychology, Psych 2120 Social Psychology, or Psych 2130 Personality. You also need to complete 3 credits from Group 2, the 2200 series, and you can choose from Psych 2220, Sensation and Perception 1, Psych 2230, Motivation, Psych 2240, Biological Basis of Behavior, or Psych 2260, Cognition. You will also need at least 3 additional credits chosen from Group 1 or Group 2 as displayed on the screen. You will need to complete at least 9 credits in psychology at the 3000 level or the 3rd year level, and at least 12 credits in psychology at the 4000 level, including Psych 4180 Critical Thinking in Psychology. The completion of these courses will total 48 credits and will ensure that you have a solid foundation in the study of psychology. The other components of your degree include science credits outside the major, where you will need to complete a minimum of 9 science credits outside of psychology, of which 3 credits must be at the 2000 level or higher. You can choose any science course offered by the Faculty of Science, Lausanne School of Engineering, or any kinesiology course, excluding those listed in the academic calendar. You will also need to complete additional credits or electives. In total, you need to complete 30 credits in order to reach an overall total of 120 credits for your degree. As discussed in the previous presentation, upper-level credits are courses that undergraduate students generally take in their 3rd and 4th year of studies. A Psychology Honors BSc student is required to take 42 upper-level credits, of which a minimum of 18 credits must be in the major and at least 12 credits must be in the major at the 4000 level. The last piece of information you need to know about your BSc degree are the graduation requirements. You must successfully complete a minimum of 120 credits and maintain honor standing, which is an overall grade point average of a 5.0 or C+. Let's review what your overall degree will look like again. You will need to earn 120 credits overall in order to obtain your honors psychology degree, of which 18 are general education credits, 15 are basic science credits, 48 are credits in your major, psychology, 9 are science credits outside the major, and 30 are additional credits or electives. Of the 120 credits that you need in order to graduate, 42 must be upper level credits or courses taken at the 3000 and 4000 level.